Good morning, dear children. Today I am going to teach the last poem, The Song of the Free, composed by a great saint poet, Swami Vivekananda. Dear children, as you know that I have already explained the poem into Hindi, but today I am going to explain the same poem into English. So before explaining the poem, I would like to tell a brief summary of this poem in English, although I have already told you the summary of the poem in Hindi, but today I am going to explain the poem into English. It is a very inspiring poem. The poet expresses his views on the philosophy of Advaitvad. The poet says that human life is surrounded with many sufferings, difficulties, and ups and downs of life. But we should not be disheartened, or we should not lose our patience. We should have a definite aim of life and should march forward on to achieve it. Now I am going to explain the poem line by line. The wounded snake its hood unfurls. The wounded means injured, hurt. Hood means head, unfurls means opens up, unfolds. The hurt or injured snake unfolds its hood. The snake does not open its head unless it is injured or hurt. But as soon as it is injured by anyone, it at once unfolds or opens up its hood. The flame stirred up doth blaze. When the fire is blown up, or when the fire is given air, it begins to burn brightly. Stirred up means blown up, blaze means burns brightly. When the fire is blown up, or when the fire is given air, it begins to burn brightly. The desert air resounds the calls of heart-struck lions race. When a lion is shot by a hunter's arrow or bullet, its angry roars can be heard in the whole forest. The writer says that the roars cannot be heard in the whole forest unless the lion is shot or struck by a lion's arrow or bullet. The cloud puts forth its deluge strength. Puts forth means pours. Deluge, great flood or heavy fall of rain. When lightning cleaves means splits, breaks, cracks or tears its breast means chest. When lightning splits the chest of the cloud, it starts raining cats and dogs, or it pours heavy rain and bring great flood everywhere. When the soul is stirred to its inmost depth, stirred means moved, shaken. Inmost depth means the deepest depth. Great ones unfold. Unfold means reveal, express. Their best means the jewels hidden. When soul is moved or shaken to the deepest depth of heart, great men begin to reveal their jewels are their best thoughts hidden in the inmost part of heart. Great men do not reveal their jewels hidden in their heart unless they are moved to the deepest depth of heart. Dear children, I have explained 2 stanzas into English. Remaining stanzas will be explained into English by me in the next video.